You were not an afterthought. You were not a helper just to help. You were a blueprint crafted by the master builder himself. You were designed to build. I used to think homemaker was just chores, cleaning, cooking, routine. But when I opened the word in Hebrew, everything changed. I realized building isn't just something women do. It's something we were designed for. From the beginning, God called us to cultivate, to cover, to create, not with hammers and bricks, but with words, prayer, presence, and purpose. Let's look at two scriptures that reveal this truth. The wise woman builds her house. Proverbs 14:1. I will make a helper suitable for him. Genesis 2:18. The word builds in Hebrew is Banah. Strong's H1129. Banah doesn't just mean to construct. It means to establish, to restore, to bring structure, order, and legacy. Banah is the same root used when God builds families, temples, and cities. And you, woman of God, carry the same building power. You don't just raise children, you raise culture. You don't just clean a house, you cultivate peace. You don't just support a husband, you strengthen an entire generation. God created woman so powerful, she possesses the ability to raise a nation up or level a nation down to dust with her spoken word. In ancient Hebrew culture, the woman was the sanctuary of the home. She didn't wait to be led. She knew the mission and moved in sync with the spirit. She was the visible heart of an invisible kingdom, a physical reflection of a spiritual assignment. And the home? It was her temple. She didn't dominate it. She built it with Banah. So what are you building? Are you building peace, prayer, protection, presence? Or are you unintentionally tearing down the very thing you were called to raise? Proverbs 14:1 warns us, the wise woman builds her house, but the foolish tears it down with her own hands. It's time to rebuild, brick by brick, prayer by prayer, word by word. I challenge you this week. Look at where your words are building or breaking. Meditate on Banah, Strong's H1129. Journal, what kind of home do I want my spirit to build? And ask, who am I becoming as I build? If you'd like the full PDF word study on Banah with Hebrew spelling, definitions, and journaling prompts, send me an email and I'll send it to you directly. Like, share, and subscribe if this message resonates with your spirit. From scroll to soul, from word to walk, this is Virtuous Design.